So Jito just airdropped $10,000 worth of Jito tokens to early stakers, and Injective is rumored to be next. Injective is a Cosmos blockchain that promises to be the next generation of trading, cross-chain transfers, and derivatives. With the speculation of an incoming airdrop, investors are beginning to buy up the INJ token and drive the price higher. And if we look at DeFi Llama, more and more investors are beginning to provide liquidity to the Injective blockchain in hopes of receiving a potential airdrop. So today I wanted to cover how to purchase the Injective token and how you can begin staking so you can also increase your chances for a potential airdrop. You definitely don't want to miss this staking and airdrop opportunity. Let's get started. So like I mentioned, Injective is a Cosmos blockchain and it is interoperable with the many other Cosmos blockchains. So it is airdrop season and Cosmos is at the forefront of providing airdrops for early adopters. And there's a ton of rumors that Injective is next to provide airdrops. So the easiest way to make yourself eligible for a potential airdrop is to stake the INJ token. So the easiest way to acquire the INJ token is to swap for some Atom token. So you will need a compatible Cosmos wallet. I highly recommend the Kepler wallet. And you can download this on your browser by visiting kepler.app. And once you install it, it would appear on your top right dashboard. And on here, you'll find all the various blockchains that are built under the Cosmos hub, including Atom, Kava, Crow, Osmo, Celestia, and of course, Injective. So the first thing we want to do is acquire some Atom token and send it over to our Kepler wallet. So I recommend using your favorite broker, something like Coinbase. You buy some Atom here and deposit that into this Atom Cosmos hub address. You can hover over the square here and that would reveal your wallet address. So once you have some Atom token in here, you're going to want to send that Atom token into the Injective network. So it currently lives as an Atom token under the Cosmos blockchain, but we want to send that same Atom to the Injective network. So you would click in here and then click on IBC send, and let's go ahead and find our Injective network, INJ. Enter the amount of Atom you want to send. I'm going to go ahead and send 4.1. Scroll lower, no memo is needed, and here's your transaction fee. For gas, I'm going to go ahead and choose low, and you would simply set next. Make sure everything looks correct, approve, and the transfer was successful. Now that Atom has been sent to the Injective network. Cool, and the next thing you want to do now is swap that new Atom for some Injective token. So the biggest DEX built on Injective currently is the Helix app. So you would go to helixapp.com and go ahead and connect your wallet. Select Kepler. Once that's connected, we're going to go to trade and swap. And now let's go ahead and look for our Atom, and we're going to swap some of that for some Injective. And our current balance is 4.1, so we want to swap all my Atom for some Injective, so I would hit max. So for roughly 4.1 Atom, I will be receiving 1.099 Injective token. Verify this all looks correct and hit swap. So once that's confirmed, you'll now have Injective token in your wallet. So now for staking, you want to visit hub.injective.network and connect your wallet. You can also calculate your potential reward for staking. So for example, if you were to stake 10 Injective tokens at the current market rate of 15.6 APR, that would net you close to $61 in staking rewards. And obviously the higher you go, the more staking rewards you will earn. So once you're ready to stake, click on delegate now. This is your staking dashboard. I currently have nothing staked, but if you scroll lower, you see all our available validators, and you can sort by staked amount. So definitely avoid the top 10, even the top 20 validators. You want to keep the network decentralized, so try to avoid the biggest whales in the space. So definitely do your research in terms of the available validators. So I do see here one I previously delegated with, Chorus One. We'll click on details and you can visit their website and learn more about them. I like them. I do have some Atom staking with them previously, so I'm going to choose them again for Injective, and then click on delegate now and go ahead and delegate all of your Injective token. Great, and you can always visit your staking dashboard over at the staking tab for all your validator information and claimable rewards, and you would claim rewards here under claim all. So two more things you can do to potentially increase your chances of getting an airdrop, and that would be bridging other tokens into Injective. So for example, you can bridge some Solana into Injective. This would ask you to connect your other wallet, which is Phantom. This is a Solana wallet if you were choosing Solana, or something cool like Polygon. And Polygon uses the MetaMask wallet. You get the idea here. There's other chains you can choose from. So using this bridge here would also increase your chances of a potential airdrop. And governance. So voting on the various governance proposals would also increase your chances of receiving an airdrop. So the creators of the blockchain definitely want you to participate in their upcoming proposals. So there you have it, a quick forward way in how to buy and stake your Injective token. Alternatively, if you want to avoid using the Helix app, you can always use a different DEX such as Rocket Exchange. And on here, you can swap other tokens for some Injective. For example, Solana. You can swap for Bitcoin, Arbitrum, Optimism, Doge, Avalanche, Osmosis, the list goes on. I'm definitely bullish on what Injective is working on, and I have no doubt that the price will continue pushing higher. There's a ton of speculation on X on when the airdrop will happen, so you definitely want to start staking early. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.